I know how it's all gonna end. It's just a rerun. A rerun of my favorite episode. It's a game of cat and mouse. You're the mouse. And you're gonna run and scream. Always scream. There's always parts being cut off, entrails being yanked from stomachs, bones being shattered to dust. Now, you try to hide, but I am gonna get you. Yes, I'm gonna get you good. Like just last night, I played the game with the little girl. She thought I was so cute. She tried to pet me, but I nipped her hand off. And she ran, and she screamed. She ran deep into an abandoned mall, and I crept through the shadows, my steps reverberating, giggling to myself, knowing that fear was filling the child, and her cries gave away her position. So, I lunged around the corner. I told her, you have nothing to worry about. I know I hurt you, but I didn't mean to. I came closer to her.